How to fix Facebook session expired error on iPhone. So if you're having the Facebook session expired error on iPhone, this could be due to a couple of reasons. First is you can just try to refresh the session. So if you're logged out, you can just try to refresh it like this, no matter on whether you're on login page or whatever, and see if that helps you. If not, go to settings, go to general, then simply go to iPhone storage. Then from here you want to simply go to Facebook. Then you can just try to offload the Facebook app and reinstall the Facebook app, which will also update it to the latest version. And once then you can try logging into your account. Now sometimes Facebook could be facing a mass outrage or a server issue, so like it happened last time as well. So that could be one of the reasons, but you might simply want to wait to see it and help that issue get solved. Or you can also try to use a cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.